Wahala for who turn crier but no fit cry better thing. E get some of our colleague wey no go ever tell you when promotion interview dey come or when government dey share business grant, scholarship or other better opportunity. Even when you hear am from outside and ask dem go say I no too sure, abeg send me the link make I confirm. But na dem dey operate Wahala FM 99.9, breaking bad news every 10 minutes. From couples wey kpai for honeymoon to man wey dey father pikin wey no be im own, down to the new neighbor wey landlord lock outside because of house rent. Make I talk true, if you fit spread rumor with dat kind speed, why you no fit spread better update with dat kind strength? Use dat same energy wey you take spread bad news take dey spread information wey fit better person life. Because no be everytime person suppose to dey hear breaking bad news. Sometimes make we dey hear uplifting news. My brother man and sister woman, share make dis message go round. Follow me for more Truetruetalk. I salute all of una. Una doh!